Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7 with your PC. You have to start by click one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here click add Bluetooth. After that slide up this power button to turn on your headphones, and now it should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just slide up and hold it until this LED light starts to flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!